We are very grateful that Sir has organized and hosted this whole thing, the whole premiere, whatever you may call it, and I just hope that people have loved it, or all the friends who have come here, and they must have seen the movie. Baki, I would say, rather than me saying anything about the movie, it's better you ask me what you want to.
Prime Minister has also acknowledged the efforts of Mr. Nair in this movie. He spoke at length about this movie. What do you say?
Oh well, it was. I would say that I'm very grateful and happy that he has seen this and acknowledged it. Not seen the movie, but he has seen. He knows about it, and he knew it from the beginning of it. And that's very kind of him to say it. And it so happened that it has come when the movie is getting released. So I hope people.
Did you know Mr. Shankar Nair before reading the script?
No, I didn't know about it. I didn't know about it. I had no idea about it. I just only know what happened in Jallianwala Bagh, and till there only, I only know what the history book taught me. But history book never taught us about what happened after that.
But I think you raised that, sir, that your grandfather, he also told a lot of incidents about it.
Yeah, he has told me exactly about Jallianwala Bagh, but he also never knew about what happened exactly. I just know about what happened in Jallianwala Bagh. Well, I just hope and I pray that he and the British government watch the movie and they realize what has gone wrong and they acknowledge it, and that's all. With folded hands, I say this.
You went to Amritsar also, was it reliving the whole experience of Jallianwala?
Sorry, ma'am?
You went to Jallianwala Bagh, you went to Amritsar. Was it reliving those that you had studied in the books? Was it
Yes.
reliving all those?
Yes, it was lots of things because my father was born there. So it was, and lots of things I know the kind of shooting we did and everything. It was very hard to achieve.
A lot of facts have been suppressed as far as.
Sorry?
So a lot of facts were suppressed as far as.
I don't.